What's up, y'all? It's your girl Cameron Jine't, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm here with a voiceover and we're doing a frontal wig install tutorial. So yeah, first basically I'm just putting on a bald cap. I already braided her down, slicked back her edges. I'm just putting on a bald cap and I'm cutting the air holes so that way the bald cap can fit directly on her head, so that way when I put the glue, everything is good and sexy. So yeah, how y'all been? It's VLOGMAS day 3, by the way, too. I forgot to say that. Now I'm applying the glue in front of her hairline so that way the bald cap can stay. I just trace and outline her baby hairs or whatever. So yeah. Okay, so now all I'm doing is sewing down the cap so that way this also stabilizes it and make sure that it doesn't move. I'm sewing it to the braids. So y'all can watch that process. Okay, so it's now time to cut the bald cap off. Once the glue has dried clear, I cut the sides off. I go straight the middle and then start to cut out the hairline as you normally would. So yeah, y'all can watch the process on that as well. Okay, so now I'm just getting the color foundation that she is and applied it on the bald cap to make it look like a bald cap. Make it look just like her head. So yeah. Now I'm just going around the perimeter and just cleaning it with alcohol. This is how you get your base to stick. This is how you get your glue to stick. Now I'm applying the glue, little dots in sections so that way I get a clear, even, thin layer. Okay, so now it's time to apply the wig. So I pulled the wig forward and laid it right in front of the glue. Some of the glue wasn't dry, but it's okay. I'm gonna fix that if you continue to watch the video. So I'm just putting it back on where I put the glue at on her hairline, and I'm pressing it in with a rat tail comb and asking the client to hold her ear tabs down so that way they stick better. So yeah. Now y'all, I'm cutting out the ear tabs. I'm taking some of the hair out so that I can cut out the pinker. I'm cutting out the perimeter of her ear so that with the lace, that way the lace isn't bothering her as much. After that, I'm putting that lace band on to secure the melt. This is the first melt I'm gonna do before I cut the lace. So now the band is off as well. Now I'm pulling out the hairs that's directly on the hairline so that way I get a seamless look without having any little hairs on it. Now I'm cutting out the lace, so yeah, y'all watch that process. If you're watching very closely, you can watch my scissors, and I'm cutting in a like zigzaggy motion, like kind of rough with the scissors, so that we don't get that blunt cut and it looks way more natural to me. Then, like see how I got the scissors upside down? It gives me that triangle cut. Now I'm just pulling out her baby hairs or whatever and adding more hair to the ones that need to be added more to. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Alright y'all, so now I'm just taking a little bit of glue and putting it over the lace to help it blend a little more and to provide extra security. I'm stumbling all of my words. But I'm not redoing this voiceover, so yeah, y'all better deal with it. It's real, it's raw and uncut. Stop playing. Then I go out with my Got To Be after asking the client to hold their baby hairs down. I use Got To Be, Pump It Up, and Even Spray to hold all of this down. Then I take my blow dryer and my comb and just press it into the skin. Then I proceed to put the band on for my second meal of the day. You want to make sure that band is tight. Now I'm just taking the pin curls down that I did the night before. Look at them juicy curls. Stop playing with me. But yeah. Now I'm just going in with my hot comb to flatten the hair down. It looks a little like a little helmet, so we're just using that to help flatten the unit. Now I'm just going in and hot combing the top and recoloring it so that way I can get that perfect bang in your face look. I love how that looks. How that looks, y'all. It's so cute. So just pay attention to how I do it so you can achieve the same look. And I've added some more layers in the hair as well. The best way to get perfect curls with the bang or whatever is to cut them layers. Chop that hair up. To get that perfect curl, you gotta do some layers. So don't come in my chair asking for no curls and expecting me to cut your hair. Girl, you gonna cut it. It's gonna be alright. So come on, cute. You gonna love it at the end. So yeah, y'all keep watching. Alright, y'all, so right now I'm just cutting out the baby hairs or whatever so that I can get started and start swooping them. To achieve my baby hairs, I use Boho Liquid Gold as my gel or Got To Be gel, and I use Lotta Body Mousse.
My trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
Let me give y'all the holy girl. I take a little oil and I put it on the top of my client's hair and like on the front pieces. So that way it gives that extra shine and sleek look. It just sets the whole hairstyle off once it's finished. So yeah, y'all, this is the finished product. I hope you guys loved the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And it's Vlogmas Day 3. See y'all on Vlogmas Day 4.
Get out, will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend.